Hello, my name's Catherine Hardwick-Franco, and I'm a PhD candidate with Flinders University, and welcome to The Word on the Street for Climate Change, Episode 6. Following on from Episode 5, I'm going back to the Twitter sphere. I'm going to introduce you, not to scientists like in Episode 5, but to an independent authority on climate change information. Now, let's have a look what Climate Council have got to say, providing Australians with reliable information on climate change. We've got governments looking to embrace renewable energy. It's cheaper. We've got a massive renewable energy project in Burra in South Australia's mid-north, providing hundreds of jobs. Renewable energy creates jobs and boosts economies. Fires all over the world. It's a tragedy. Electric vehicles. Now this is an interesting one because at our last federal election there was all sorts of shenanigans in relation to electric vehicles. Number of Australians considering buying electric vehicles has tripled. Alright. 100% of Australians have heard of electric vehicles. This is looking all very interesting, but I wonder who wrote it. Is it credible? Scroll down to the bottom. Lead reporter for The Driven, a sister site of Renew Economy. Okay, I'll introduce you to Renew Economy in a future vlog. But for now, the word on the street about climate change in episode 6 we're up to, is do your own research about what's important to the climate. I recommend the Climate Council, and happy researching. See you next episode when we look at electric vehicles. Bye.